Next geometrical figure is cone. See this cone? This surface is curved surface and bottom surface is flat surface. For clear observation, see this figure? This is the cone. This surface is curved surface and bottom surface is circular in shape. Okay? Bottom surface is circular in shape. What is the curved surface area of cone? This is the curved surface. Open it. See, this is look like a sector. This sector divided into small parts. Okay. See, the small parts arranged in this manner. Sector divided into small parts. The small parts arranged in this manner. See, this look like a rectangle. Okay, this is look like a rectangle. What is the length? See, bottom surface is circular in shape. This is the half of the circle. Okay, this part is half of the circle. Here we want length of the circle, boundary length of the circle. Okay, so this is the half of the boundary length of the circle. We know total boundary length of the circle is 2 pi r. Boundary length is nothing but perimeter of the circle. Half of the perimeter is 2 pi r by 2. 2 to get cancelled. This is pi r and this length is pi r. See this cone? This is the, suppose this is the height of the cone and this is the, this one is radius of the cone. Radius. Bottom is circular in shape. This is radius of the circle. Suppose this is this length equal to L. Okay. See this diagram. This is look like a right angle triangle. This is look like a right angle triangle. H or L. Okay. So what is L? Apply Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square. L is the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. Here we want L. L equal to root over h square plus r square. Okay. So this is the L. This length is L. Here L equal to h square plus r square. This L is nothing but slant length. Slant length. Okay. Therefore, what is the area of rectangle? Length into breadth. Length into breadth. Length is pi r and breadth is L. Therefore, curved surface area. Curved surface area of cone equal to pi or L. Units are unit square. Okay, here L equal to length of the slant. L equal to root over h square plus r square. What is the total surface area of cone? Cone has one curved surface and one flat surface. Okay, total surface area of cone equal to curved surface area plus flat surface area. Curved surface area equal to pi or L. Flat surface area. Flat surface in circular in shape. So area of the circle is pi r square. Here pi r is common. L plus r. Units are unit square. What is volume of the cone? See, cone, radius goes on decreases. Okay, see cylinder, this is the cylinder. In cylinder everywhere radius is constant, but cone it goes on decreases. Okay, so therefore volume of the cone 3 times of volume of cone equal to volume of cylinder. Therefore volume of cone equal to 1/3 of volume of cylinder. Okay, what is the volume of cylinder? Bottom surface area into height. Okay, bottom surface is circle pi r square, height is h. Okay, so volume of the cone equal to pi r square h by 3. Units are unit cube. These are the formulas for, this is the volume of cone. These are the formulas for cone. Next geometrical figure is sphere. We already know sphere shape. This look like a playing ball shape. Okay, ball shape. What is the surface area of sphere? Total surface area of sphere equal to 4 times of area of circle. 4 into area of the circle is pi r square. Okay, 4 into pi r square. Units are unit square. Okay, next one. What is the volume of sphere? Volume of sphere equal to 2 times of volume of cone. Volume of the sphere equal to 2 times of volumes of cone. Volume of the cone equal to pi r square h by 3. Pi r square h by 3. 2 times. But here h equal to, here h equal to r plus r, this height. Okay, h equal to r plus r. Okay, so pi r square h 2 into pi r square h by 3. Here h equal to 2 r. 2 pi r square into 2 r by 3, which is equal to 2 into 2 4 pi r square into r cube by 3. Therefore volume of the sphere equal to 4 pi r cube by 3 unit cube. These are the formulas for sphere. Next geometrical figure is hemisphere. Hemisphere means half of the sphere. See, this is the one curved path and this is the one flat surface. One flat surface and one curved surface. What is the curved surface area of hemisphere? This area. Curved surface area of sphere equal to 4 pi r square. This is the half of the sphere. So by 2, which is equal to 2 pi r square. Units are unit square. Curved surface area of hemisphere equal to 2 pi r square. Next, total surface area of hemisphere. Curved surface area plus flat surface area. Curved surface area, we know 2 pi r square. Flat surface in circle in shape, pi r square. 2 pi r square plus pi r square, which is equal to 3 pi r square. Total surface area of hemisphere equal to 3 pi r square. Units are unit square. Next one, volume. Volume of hemisphere. Volume means how much space available in it. This is the half of the sphere. So volume of the sphere equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. This is the half of the sphere. So by 2, which is equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube. Units are unit cube. These are the formulas for hemisphere.